Why do some people in their 70s feel like they're still 40, while others seem to have aged far beyond their years? The truth is, aging isn't just about luck or genetics. It's about how you live, think, and move every single day. In this video, we're revealing 5 powerful yet often overlooked habits that can completely transform how you age. These aren't just theories. They are real, practical changes that can help you feel stronger, sharper, and more energetic as the years go by. Stay with me until the end, because these insights might just change the way you see aging forever. Most people assume that growing older means slowing down, but the reality is that the right habits can keep you feeling youthful and full of life. And here's the best part. You can start applying them today. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button if you're ready to take control of how you age. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss more life-changing insights like these. And tell us in the comments, what's one thing you're doing right now to stay youthful? Let's get into it. Number 1. Curiosity and lifelong learning. Have you ever noticed that some people stay sharp and full of energy even as they grow older? One of the main reasons for this is their commitment to lifelong learning. Just like the body needs movement to stay strong, the brain needs new challenges to stay active. Seniors who continue to learn, whether by reading, taking up new hobbies, or exploring new ideas, tend to have better memory, sharper thinking, and a greater sense of curiosity about the world. Learning keeps the mind engaged, making life more exciting and meaningful. Curiosity is like fuel for the brain. When we challenge ourselves with new experiences, our brains form fresh neural connections, which help improve mental function. This could be as simple as reading a book on a new topic, learning to play an instrument, or even trying a new recipe. The more we push ourselves to think and problem solve, the more we strengthen our ability to focus, remember, and adapt to changes. Keeping the brain active in this way can even lower the risk of cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Lifelong learning doesn't have to be formal or complicated. Simple activities like solving puzzles, watching educational videos, or engaging in deep conversations can stimulate the brain just as much as structured courses. Many seniors find joy in learning a new language, taking up painting, or even exploring technology. The key is to keep an open mind and remain curious about the world. Every new skill or piece of knowledge adds to mental flexibility, making it easier to embrace change and navigate life with confidence. Beyond keeping the brain sharp, continuous learning also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Engaging in new activities gives life a fresh perspective and keeps daily routines from becoming dull. It can also lead to new social connections, as learning in a group, whether through a class, a book club, or an online course, provides opportunities to meet like-minded people. This social aspect of learning helps reduce loneliness and strengthens emotional well-being, adding another layer to the benefits of staying mentally active. At any age, curiosity and a love for learning can make life richer and more enjoyable. It's not about mastering every subject, but about keeping the mind engaged and open to new possibilities. Whether it's picking up a new skill, exploring new ideas, or simply asking more questions, learning keeps us youthful in spirit. The more we nourish our curiosity, the more we continue to grow, ensuring that every stage of life remains vibrant and fulfilling. Number 2. Adapting to new technology. In today's fast-changing world, technology is constantly evolving, and those who embrace it tend to stay more connected and engaged. While it might feel overwhelming at first, learning to use new technology can open doors to better communication, entertainment, and even personal growth. Seniors who take the time to explore digital tools often find that it helps them stay in touch with loved ones, learn new things, and remain a part of the modern world. Whether it's using a smartphone, a tablet, or a smart TV, adapting to technology can enrich daily life in countless ways. One of the biggest benefits of technology is the ability to stay connected with family and friends. Social media platforms, video calls, and messaging apps make it easier than ever to talk to loved ones, no matter how far away they are. A quick video call with grandchildren or an old friend can bring a sense of closeness that was once only possible through in-person visits. Technology bridges the gap between generations, allowing people to share moments, photos, and memories instantly. Instead of feeling isolated, seniors who use these tools often experience a greater sense of belonging and emotional well-being. Beyond communication, technology also helps keep the brain active and engaged. Learning how to use new apps, exploring online courses, or even playing brain training games can stimulate mental activity and improve cognitive function. Many seniors enjoy using ebooks, podcasts, or YouTube tutorials to learn new skills or hobbies. The more we challenge our brains with new experiences, the sharper our thinking remains. Adapting to technology isn't just about convenience. It's about keeping the mind strong and curious. Technology also plays a major role in improving health and safety. Wearable health devices, such as smartwatches, can track heart rate, monitor physical activity, and even detect falls. Smart home gadgets like voice-activated assistants and security systems make daily tasks easier and safer. Online communities and support groups offer a space to share experiences, seek advice, and connect with others facing similar challenges. These advancements not only promote independence but also enhance overall well-being by making everyday life smoother and more secure. Adjusting to new technology may take time, but it is a skill that can greatly enhance quality of life. Instead of resisting change, embracing these tools can lead to a more fulfilling and connected experience. The key is to stay open-minded and willing to learn, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. With patience and practice, technology can become an empowering tool that brings joy, convenience, and a stronger connection to the world. Aging well means staying engaged with life, and adapting to technology is one of the best ways to do just that. Number 3. Embracing downtime for restoration. Many people believe that staying busy is the key to a fulfilling life, but knowing when to slow down and rest is just as important. As we age, our bodies and minds need time to recover from daily stress. Seniors who make space for relaxation often feel more refreshed, less overwhelmed, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Embracing downtime doesn't mean being unproductive. It means giving yourself the chance to recharge so you can continue to enjoy life with energy and clarity. One of the best ways to restore the body and mind is to spend time in nature. Taking a slow walk in the park, sitting by a lake, or even tending to a small garden can have a calming effect. Nature has a way of reducing stress and improving mood by helping us feel more connected to the world around us. The fresh air, the sound of birds, and the gentle movement of trees can all work together to create a sense of peace and relaxation. These simple moments of quiet can do wonders for both physical and mental well-being. Meditation and mindfulness are also powerful tools for restoration. Taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, clear the mind, or practice gratitude can significantly lower stress levels. Meditation helps slow down racing thoughts and brings a sense of inner balance. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just sitting quietly and focusing on the present moment can help calm the nervous system and reduce the physical effects of stress, such as high blood pressure and tension in the body. Beyond meditation, simply engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation can be incredibly beneficial. Reading a good book, listening to music, or enjoying a warm cup of tea can provide a mental break and allow the body to unwind. These small acts of self-care help create a sense of balance in life, preventing exhaustion and burnout. When we give ourselves permission to rest, we allow our bodies to repair and our minds to reset, making it easier to stay positive and engaged in life. Aging well is not just about staying active, it's about knowing when to pause and take care of yourself. Downtime is not a sign of weakness, it's a vital part of maintaining overall health and happiness. By embracing moments of rest, whether through nature, meditation, or simple daily pleasures, we give ourselves the energy to fully enjoy life. In the end, balance is the key to long-term well-being, and learning to slow down is just as valuable as learning to keep moving forward. Number 4, the power of movement, not just exercise. Many people think of movement as structured exercise, like going to the gym or following a workout routine. But movement is much more than that. It's about how we use our bodies throughout the day in everyday activities. Simple actions like reaching for something on a high shelf, bending down to pick up an object, or even shifting positions while sitting all contribute to keeping our bodies agile. The more we move, the more we maintain our flexibility and strength, which are essential for staying independent as we age. Seniors who stay active in their daily lives tend to have better balance, coordination, and overall mobility. Small habits, such as choosing the stairs instead of the elevator or walking around the house while talking on the phone, add up over time. These movements keep the muscles engaged and joints from becoming stiff. Even light activities like gardening or stretching while watching television help maintain a level of physical activity that supports long-term health. Regular movement also has significant benefits for circulation and joint health. When we move, blood flows more efficiently, carrying oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. This helps prevent common problems like swelling, stiffness, and joint pain. Staying in one position for too long, whether sitting or lying down, can cause the muscles to weaken and the joints to lose their range of motion. That's why small, frequent movements are so important for keeping the body feeling strong and energized. Another key benefit of movement is the positive effect it has on the mind. Physical activity, even in small amounts, releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that boost mood and reduce stress. Taking a short walk outside, stretching in the morning, or even dancing to music at home can help improve mental clarity and emotional well-being. Movement isn't just about keeping the body healthy. It also plays a crucial role in keeping the mind sharp and uplifted. Aging well doesn't mean committing to intense exercise routines. It means incorporating movement into daily life in simple, natural ways. Whether it's walking the dog, stretching while making coffee, or doing light household chores, staying in motion is the key to maintaining strength and independence. By making movement a regular part of our routine, we ensure that our bodies remain flexible, our minds stay clear, and we continue to enjoy life with energy and ease. Number 5. Deep emotional connections and vulnerability. As we grow older, it's natural to become more cautious about our emotions. Life brings experiences that can make us hesitant to open up, whether it's losing loved ones, facing personal struggles, or simply feeling like people won't understand us. However, choosing to build and maintain deep emotional connections is one of the most important ways to age well. Strong relationships help us feel understood, valued, and supported, making the aging process less lonely and more fulfilling. Instead of withdrawing from others, staying emotionally connected can bring warmth and comfort to our lives. One of the key aspects of forming deep emotional connections is vulnerability. Many people fear being vulnerable because it means exposing their true thoughts and feelings. But in reality, vulnerability is what allows for real, meaningful relationships. When we open up to others, whether it's sharing our worries, joys, or personal experiences, we create space for genuine connection. It's through this honesty that strong emotional bonds are formed. These bonds not only bring joy, but also offer support during difficult times, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Emotional connections also play a vital role in mental well-being. As we age, feelings of isolation or loneliness can become more common, especially when life circumstances change. But having people we can turn to, a close friend, a supportive family member, or even a new social circle, helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Simply knowing that someone cares for us can bring a sense of security and peace, allowing us to navigate the challenges of aging with greater resilience. Beyond just improving mental health, strong relationships also give us a sense of purpose. Engaging with others, offering support, and being there for loved ones makes us feel useful and appreciated. Many seniors who actively nurture their relationships report feeling happier and more fulfilled in their later years. Whether it's through deep conversations, shared activities, or small acts of kindness, maintaining emotional connections enriches our lives in countless ways. Aging well isn't just about physical health, it's also about emotional well-being. The more we allow ourselves to connect with others, the more rewarding our journey becomes. Instead of closing ourselves off, embracing emotional depth and meaningful relationships helps us experience life more fully. By prioritizing connection and vulnerability, we don't just grow older, we grow wiser, happier, and more at peace with the life we've built. Staying youthful in both body and mind is not just about avoiding aging, it's about thriving at every stage of life. 5 key practices can help you achieve this. Curiosity, embracing technology, taking downtime, staying active, and nurturing emotional depth. Curiosity keeps your mind sharp and engaged, helping you continuously learn and adapt. Technology connects you with new ideas and people, making life more convenient and enriching. Downtime allows your mind and body to rest, reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Movement, whether through exercise or simple daily activities, keeps your body strong and flexible. Finally, emotional depth. Building meaningful relationships and understanding your own feelings creates a sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Aging is not a fixed path, but a journey you can shape every day through intentional choices. When you stay open to growth, embrace new experiences, and take care of yourself in ways that suit you best, you not only feel younger, but also create a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Instead of fearing time, you can use it to your advantage by nurturing your curiosity, strengthening connections, and prioritizing your physical and emotional well-being. The secret to aging well isn't in resisting change, but in actively engaging with life, making each moment meaningful, and finding joy in both the present and the future.